explain, or sorry, these covalent bonds, it explains how diatomic molecules are formed. All right, so let's take a look at oxygen. Okay, what's the molecular formula for oxygen? O2. Just O2, okay? Today we're going to actually explain why it is that oxygen is O2. All right, so first you look at one oxygen atom. Oxygen has how many valence electrons? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, if we take a second oxygen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how much of each of those is actually just missing those electrons? They're each missing 2. So, their logical step is to actually get those 2 electrons together from the different atoms, okay? So this is what'll happen. And remember that I said it's very capable of these atoms to kind of move their electrons around to kind of like smush everybody in. Even though they still have those 4 valence orbitals out there, they can definitely manipulate them a little bit to actually move them around, okay? So this is what is going to happen. This one and this one are going to get together, okay? This one and this one are going to get together, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually orientate all the electrons around so that this looks a lot nicer, okay? So, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and kind of move those around. Does everybody agree that that's the same thing as before? Yeah. Okay? Now I'm going to just represent these with dots instead, just to show you the 2 atoms. Okay, so with these 2 being side by side each other, these 2 can get together and make their own little electron pair in there. They can just kind of smush together, okay? They're not going to fully transfer them because they're actually sharing them currently right in the middle there, okay? Now, these 2 electrons are still empty. So what they'll actually do is they'll take these electrons and actually smush them right in between, okay? And make everybody squish together to share those electrons. So I'm going to redraw this and show you what will have happened in that case. Whoops. Dot, dot. Okay? Does that make sense how that could have happened? Okay? So there's that one single electron from before, and here's that other single electron from before.